Hi everyone, welcome back to our SQL tutorial series. In today's video, we're tackling question 43, how to pivot columns in SQL Server. Pivot columns are very important in SQL because they let you reshape data into a report-friendly format and bridge the gap between raw data and meaningful business insights. Pivot columns can make reports more readable, easier comparisons across categories, and reduce manual work in Excel. We'll be working with a customers table that contains customer details such as first name, last name, and the province they belong to. And this is the data structure of customers table, with customer number as primary key. Each row represents one customer, and the province column contains values like AB, BC, SK, ON, and QC, standing for Alberta, British Columbia, Saskatchewan, Ontario, and Quebec respectively. Our business requirement is, instead of having province values down a single column, we want them as headers. Under each header, we should see customers' names in alphabetical order. Here's an example of the expected output. This makes it very easy to compare customers across provinces at one glance. Let's see the solutions in SQL Server Management Studio. Solution 1. CTE plus window function plus grouping. Let's walk through the first solution. We'll use a CTE with a row number function. In the CTE, we create a full name by concatenating first and last name. We partition by province and assign a row number, so the first customer alphabetically in Alberta gets row number 1, the second gets 2, and so on. Then, in the outer query, we use a case expression inside max to pivot each province into its own column. Max effectively picks that one non-null value. Finally, we group by row number so that all the first customers line up, then the second customers, and so on. Also, we should put on in the brackets because on is a reserved keyword. In SQL Server, whenever your column name or alias conflicts with a keyword, you must escape it with square brackets. Execute the query and we will get a clean pivoted result set. Solution 2. Subquery plus pivot operator. The second solution uses the built-in pivot operator. The subquery is the same as before. We generate names and assign row numbers. Then we apply pivot on the province column. Min name is just an aggregation function required by the pivot. Since each province RN combination has only one name, min works fine. Finally, the for province IN clause specifies which provinces we want as columns. This query produces the exact same result as solution 1, but the syntax is more compact. So, which solution should you use? Solution 1 with CTE plus case is more flexible and easier to understand for beginners. It's also portable across different SQL dialects. Solution 2 with pivot operator is shorter and more elegant if you're comfortable with the syntax, but it only works in SQL Server. Both achieve the same business requirement, turning province values into columns with customers listed alphabetically underneath. And that's how you can pivot columns in SQL Server. In the next session, we'll continue solving real-world SQL problems step by step. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, subscribe, and share this channel. Thank you.